The ruins of Lowther Castle rise like a dream against the Cumbrian sky, their crumbling towers and arches softened by the embrace of gardens that seem to stretch forever. This walk is more than a stroll. It is a passage through centuries, where history and nature entwine. Arriving at Lowther, the sheer scale of the place takes hold. Once a proud seat of the Lowther family, the castle stood in full Victorian grandeur before falling into ruin in the 20th century. Abandoned for decades, it might have vanished altogether had it not been rediscovered and restored to life as one of Britain's great romantic ruins. The walk begins in the gardens, where avenues of trees guide your steps and formal lawns open out into hidden spaces. There are woodlands that seem to hum with bird song, wildflower meadows alive with color, and a maze of paths that lead to sudden reveals. A rose garden tucked away, or a sculpture waiting in the shade. Every season paints the grounds, from spring blossoms to autumn's golden fire. Step into the castle itself, and you find only walls and windows open to the sky. Yet the emptiness carries its own majesty. Through the arches, you glimpse fragments of what once was a dining hall filled with laughter, a library heavy with books. Today, exhibitions tell these stories, while the ruined architecture speaks in silence. Beyond the walls, the land rolls out into the Eden Valley. Look closely, and you'll see red squirrels darting through branches or kestrels hanging in the wind. The gardens give way to sweeping views that remind you of the Lake District's grandeur, stretching into the horizon. And as the walk ends, the castle remains behind you, ruined yet radiant, fragile yet eternal. Lowther is a place where time lingers, and where every visitor leaves with a piece of its story.